The cutest animals doing human work, like a dog cleaning the house, cooking dinner. And guess what? These videos are going viral, and the best part? They're earning thousands of dollars. Just look at this YouTube short channels and see their performances. This channel has 1.13 million subscribers, and they have uploaded only 44 videos. These are outstanding. Here's another Instagram account doing the exact same thing. Well, guess what? I figured out how you can do it too. And you don't even need any fancy equipment. The best part? You can create these videos for free. Yep, you heard me right. No camera needed. All you need are some super easy-to-use AI tools, and I'm going to walk you through every single step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make these cute animal videos that are trending right now, and how to start making money from them. Step 1. Get your video ideas with ChatGPT or Gravity AI. I use ChatGPT for this part. They're like little helpers for brainstorming. So let's say we want to make a video of a dog cooking in the kitchen. I go to ChatGPT, type in something like, generate a fun video prompt for a dog cooking pasta in the kitchen for a social media reel. Then, it gives me a perfect prompt for creating the video. Copy the prompt and go to Ideogram AI. Paste the prompt. Customize the image model or setting as needed. And choose the video size, 9:16, because this is the perfect size for social media reels. Hit create and watch the magic happen. In just a few moments, Ideogram AI will generate some super cute images. Once you have them, just download them to your device. Easy, right? Step 3. Now for the fun part, turning those images into a video. Go over to Hailuo AI and click on Create. It's super simple. You'll see an option that says Image to Video. Select it, then upload the images you just downloaded. Paste the same prompt. After that, hit Generate and sit back for a few seconds. And guess what? A super cute, funny video is ready for you to download and share. Step 4. Upload and start earning. Once you've got your video, you can upload it straight to social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook. And trust me, people love watching these kinds of videos. Animals doing human things just never gets old. As your videos start getting views, you can make money through ads, brand partnerships, and more.